Alright, hello everyone. Today I'm going to be installing my disk drive faceplate. This is what the disk drive originally looked like. This is the same disk drive. Right here. Not original, obviously. This is the original faceplate for the disk drive. Same exact disk drive, just took the faceplate off. Stole one from a multiplayer, which has the same exact hook design, same brand I believe. Painted it up, and now it's ready to be put on. Because I want a relatively close disk drive. So here we go. It won't go on. Here. What? There we go. Don't think it's in all the way. Alright, here we go. Here you paper clip. It's on. Oh, look at that. Look at that. You can tell it's been painted. You can see the multiplayer mark. But it looks much better. Because the black disk drive does not match. Too new. Nice thing is, since this is the same disk drive, DVD-ROM, but look, rewritable. Can write CDs, so this is great. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.